Hi guys, today I talk about the turtle and the bird. And a turtle was resting under the tree, on which a bird had built its nest. The turtle spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have is made of broken twigs. It has not roof and not crude. Worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your perfect nest. Yes, it's made of broken sticks, looks shabby and is open to the elements of nature. It's crude, but I built it and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine," said the tortoise. Yes, must be jealous of my shell thought. On the contrary, the bird replied, "My home has paid for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird happily. And that's all about the bird and the tortoise.